This is the knee to chest stretch. It feels really good on your upper hamstrings. You want to make sure that you bring your knee into your chest on the same side and keep it in line with your shoulder, your hip, and your ankle. And make sure you breathe. This is the diagonal glute stretch, and we're targeting your side glute muscles such as your piriformis, your gluteus minimus, and others. You want to make sure that both hips are squarely on the floor, your shoulders are down too, and your head. Draw your knee across your body towards the opposite shoulder. And don't forget to breathe. This is the lower body rotation stretch, and it's great for your hips and glute muscles. Once you pull your leg up, you draw it across your body and try to take your knee to the floor. But make sure you keep that opposite shoulder down. Both shoulders should be down at all times. Don't lift the shoulder up to get more range with that leg. This is the supine figure 4 stretch, and it's a great hip and upper thigh stretch. You want to make sure that you cross your foot onto your opposite knee. Then, like the knee to chest stretch, you want to pull that knee into your chest, and you're going to get a great stretch on that opposite leg. Make sure you keep your hips down, your shoulders, and your head. And don't forget to breathe. This is the kneeling hamstring stretch. You can use the wall or any other piece of furniture for support. You want to make sure that your back is straight, your leg is straight, and your toes are pointed up. It is not mandatory to touch your toes. This is the kneeling quad stretch. You can use the wall or a piece of furniture for support. Grab the back of your leg and lean forward. You're now ready to foam roll. Grab your foam roll and lay back on it. When you're ready, bring your hips up and lean into the foam roll with your body weight. You can put your hands behind your head for support of the neck and draw your elbows out. You can start with your upper back and go all the way down to your mid back and low back. Next, we're going to foam roll your glutes, and we're going to do one glute at a time. So when you sit on the foam roll, make sure you lean to one side. We're going to target your side glute muscles such as your piriformis and your glute minimus. You're going to cross your ankle onto your opposite knee. You can also lean into your glute max as well. Make sure you breathe. After you do one side, do the other. Next, we're going to foam roll our lats, which is short for latissimus dorsi. You're going to start off by laying on the foam roll on one side of your back. You can start with your upper back or your mid back, but either way, we're going to focus on your lats. When you're done with one side, do the other. Lastly, we're going to foam roll our quads. These are our big thigh muscles that we have in front. You want to do one leg at a time and focus on the middle, the inner, and the outer part of your quads. After you're done with one, switch and do the other. I like to spend about 2 minutes on each leg. You can repeat this cool down routine for 10 to 20 minutes. There is no specific order, so mix and match and have fun.